Shear wall or shear panel. Resist sideways forces like wind or earthquake load. Shear is a sideways force or lateral load caused by forces like wind or earthquake shaking. The structural tool used to resist shear is the shear wall or shear panel. Since wall framing is typically 2x4, 16 inches on center, by fastening plywood on one or both sides of the stud wall, a laterally rigid panel is formed and is called a shear wall or shear panel. The structural engineer will calculate the shear load to be resisted based on historical winds or historical earthquake sideways load typical to the region. Wind load is multiplied by the area of the wall against which the wind blows. Loads are multiplied by a load factor to produce a factor of safety. The thickness of the plywood, number, type of, and spacing of fasteners can be read from a design table to produce a panel which will resist the design load. A diaphragm is a horizontally laying shear wall, like the flooring system or flat roof of a structure. A shear wall or shear panel is the structural tool used to resist sideways forces like those produced by wind or lateral earthquake load. Multiple choice question. Shear wall or shear panel. A. Resist sideways forces like wind or earthquake load. B. Safe design at the lowest price possible. C. Beams flow load horizontally, columns resist load vertically. D. Resist vertical load produced by the weight of the structure. Well, the best answer choice in this case for shear wall or shear panel is A. Resist sideways forces like wind or earthquake load.